Hello, and welcome back to English Audio, the place to improve your English just by listening. We read clear and slow English to help beginners. Your problem isn't the economy, your lack of resources, or your bad luck. Your problem is that you are waiting for the world to be perfect before you decide to be great. I am talking to you today. Yes, you. I am not talking to your neighbor. I am not talking to your friend. I am speaking directly to you. I know you are listening. And I know you are tired. You are tired of feeling stuck. You are tired of not speaking English fluently. You are tired of your job. You are tired of your life staying the same year after year. But I am here to tell you the truth. The reason you are stuck is not because the world is hard. The reason you are stuck is because you are waiting. You are waiting for a magic moment. You are waiting for your boss to be nice. You are waiting for your bank account to be full. You are waiting for the weather to be sunny. You are waiting for English to become easy. You have this idea in your head that one day, the clouds will open, the sun will shine, and everything will be perfect. And on that day, you will finally start working hard. On that day, you will finally be happy. I need you to hear me clearly. That day is not coming. It does not exist. If you are waiting for perfect conditions, you are going to wait until the end of your life. You are going to die in the waiting room. Look at your life right now. Is it perfect? No. Look at the world. Is it perfect? No, it is messy. It is loud. It is difficult. That is the reality. You have two choices. You can sit there and complain about the mess, or you can stand up and clean it. Most people choose to complain. They suffer from the victim illusion. This is a sickness in the mind. The victim illusion makes you believe that your life is controlled by your situation. You think you are a puppet and the world is pulling the strings. You say things like, I cannot learn English because I am too old. I cannot start a business because I have no money. I cannot exercise because it is raining. When you say these things, you are pointing the finger at the world. You are saying, it is not my fault. It is the rain's fault. It is the money's fault. This makes you feel safe. It makes you feel comfortable, because if it is not your fault, you do not have to do anything. You can just sit on the couch and watch television. You can stay lazy. But this safety is a trap. It is a prison. When you blame the situation, you give away your power. You become weak. You become a passenger in your own life. You need to understand the difference between two very important words, situation and attitude. Your situation is the facts. Fact, you were born in a country that does not speak English. Fact, you have a busy job and 3 children. Fact, your car is broken. These are the conditions of your life. You cannot snap your fingers and change them. The situation is the storm outside your window. Your attitude is your response. Attitude is how you choose to look at the storm. Attitude is how you decide to act in the storm. Attitude is the voice in your head that says, I will not stop. The text we are studying today says, life is controlled by your attitude. Do you understand what that means? It means the situation does not dictate your success. The attitude dictates your success. To dictate means to give orders. If you have a weak attitude, the situation gives you orders. The rain says, stay inside. You say, okay. The fear says, Be quiet, you say. Okay. The difficult grammar says. Give up, you say. Okay. You are a slave to the situation. But if you have a strong attitude, you give the orders. You say to the rain, I don't care. I will walk anyway. You say to the fear, I hear you, but I am going to speak anyway. You say to the grammar, you are hard, but I am smarter. I will study you until I understand. This is the mindset of a winner. This is the mindset you need to build. Look at the champions in this world. Look at the best athletes. Look at the most successful business people. Do you think they had perfect conditions? Do you think they had it easy? No, they had it harder than you. Think about a marathon runner. When they run 42 kilometers, do you think their legs feel good? No. Their legs are burning with fire. Their lungs are screaming for air. Their body is telling them, stop, please stop, it hurts. The situation is pain, but the attitude is power. The runner refuses to stop. They dictate to their legs. They say move, move, and they cross the finish line. Think about a person who learns English and becomes fluent. Do you think they never felt stupid? Do you think they never made a mistake? No, they made thousands of mistakes. They felt embarrassed every day. People laughed at their accent. The situation was embarrassment, but the attitude was courage. They refused to be silent. They spoke bad English until it became good English. They spoke good English until it became great English. You must adopt this mindset. You must adopt the unbreakable protocol. Unbreakable means nothing can destroy you. You are like a rock in the ocean. The waves hit you. The storms hit you. But you are still there. You are still standing. How do you become unbreakable? First, you must stop trying. I hate the word try. I will try to study. I will try to be happy. I will try to change. Trying is a lie. Trying means you are leaving a door open to quit. Trying means you expect to fail. Do not try, decide. To decide comes from a Latin word that means to cut off. When you decide, you cut off all other options. You burn the bridge behind you. There is no going back. You must decide today. I am an English speaker, not I hope to be. I am. When you decide, your behavior changes. You stop looking for excuses. You start looking for solutions. Second, you must change your definition of hard. You are afraid of hard things. You run away from difficult tasks. When you see a long word in English, you skip it. When you hear a fast speaker, you turn off the audio. You are running away from the medicine that will cure you. Hard is not bad. Hard is good. If it is hard, it means you are growing. If you go to the gym and lift a balloon, do you get strong muscles? No. The balloon is easy. You must lift the heavy iron. You must feel the weight. The weight breaks the muscle, and the muscle grows back stronger. English is your heavy iron. When you feel confused, do not panic. Smile. Say, this is heavy, good. I am getting stronger. Refuse to be scared of the difficulty. Embrace the difficulty. Third, you must master your morning. How you start your day dictates your life. Most of you start your day like victims. The alarm clock rings. You hit snooze. You want to sleep more. You are already starting the day with no. Then you pick up your phone. You look at social media. You look at other people's perfect lives. You feel jealous. You feel sad. Then you look at the news. You see war. You see anger. You feel afraid. You haven't even gotten out of bed, and you are already defeated. The world has punched you in the face, and you let it happen. You must fight back. Tomorrow morning, when the alarm rings, get up. Do not think. Do not negotiate with yourself. Just stand up. Do not touch your phone. Your phone is a tool for other people. It is a tool to control your mind. Keep it off. Drink water. Move your body. Look in the mirror. Tell yourself, I am ready. I am in control. Read 5 pages of English. Listen to 10 minutes of audio. Do this before you give yourself to the world. When you win the morning, you win the day. Fourth, you must act before you feel ready. This is the biggest secret. You think that motivation leads to action. You think you need to feel excited to do the work. You are wrong. Action leads to motivation. You have to move first. The feeling comes second. You will never feel like studying when you are tired. You will never feel like speaking when you are nervous. Your brain is designed to keep you safe. Your brain wants you to be quiet and comfortable. You must fight your own brain. You must use the 5-second rule. When you know you should do something, count down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go. Do not give your brain time to make an excuse. You see an opportunity to speak English. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Speak. You see the book on the table. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Open it. Force yourself to move. Motion creates emotion. When you take action, you feel proud. When you feel proud, you want to do more. I am telling you this because I believe in you. But my belief is not enough. You have to believe in you. And belief is not a magic feeling. Belief is a habit. You build belief by doing difficult things. Every time you study when you are tired, you put a brick in the wall of your belief. Every time you speak when you are scared, you put another brick in the wall. Eventually, you build a castle. You build a fortress. You become unbreakable. Stop looking at your past. Your past does not equal your future. Maybe you failed in school. So what? Maybe you failed yesterday. So what? The past is a ghost. It is not real anymore. The only thing that is real is right now. Right now you have a choice. You can go back to sleep. You can go back to being a victim. You can go back to blaming the economy and the weather. Or you can wake up. You can decide that your attitude is more powerful than your situation. You can decide that you are the captain of your ship. I want you to get angry. Yes, get angry. Get angry at your excuses. Get angry at your laziness. Get angry at the time you have wasted. Use that anger as fuel. Fire up your engine. Say to yourself, enough is enough. I am done waiting. I am done complaining. You are not a child. You are an adult. You have power. You have a voice. Use it. You have a mind. Use it. Don't tell me it's too late. As long as you have breath in your lungs, it is not too late. Don't tell me it's too hard. You can do hard things. You have survived 100% of your bad days. You are a survivor. Now you must become a warrior. A warrior does not ask for an easy life. A warrior asks for the strength to endure a difficult life. A warrior does not ask for perfect conditions. A warrior fights in the rain. A warrior fights in the dark. Your English is your sword. Pick it up. Polish it. Use it. Do not apologize for your bad grammar. Do not apologize for your accent. Your accent is your history. Your accent proves that you are brave enough to learn a second language. Wear your mistakes like medals of honor. I am challenging you today. I am challenging you to stop being average. Average is easy. Average is crowded. Greatness is lonely. But greatness is worth it. So what are you going to do? When this audio ends, are you going to scroll on your phone? Are you going to distract yourself? Or are you going to take one step? Just one step. Write one sentence. Learn one verb. Speak for 1 minute. Prove to me that you are listening. Prove to yourself that you are alive. The world is waiting for you. The world needs your voice. But the world will not wait forever. The clock is ticking. Tick-tock. Tick-tock. Your time is limited. Do not waste another second waiting for perfection. Take your imperfect life. Take your imperfect English and go do something great with it. You have the power. You have always had the power. It is time to use it. It is time to rise. It is time to fly. Thank you for listening to English Audio today. We hope this message helps you on your journey. Like and subscribe to our channel for more lessons. See you next time.